Hey, yeah, let me get a ham and cheese footlong on
Yes.
wheat.
Yes. No. No.
Oh,
No.
that's what I said to her. Completely mental. Fish pot.
Absolutely insane.
I
Insane.
can't believe it's not butter.
Bye.
Bye.
Oh, I was just talking.
Excuse me, there's a line?
I don't see it.
Is there?
I don't-
Where's the line?
Yes, it's just us.
Yeah, yeah.
What?
So right here, we were online.
We are the line.
Oh, people.
It won't matter. We'll only be a moment. Won't be spooky puns.
Yes, Schnookum-Puckums.
Don't call me that.
Anyway. Subway sandwiches. What do you have?
You said it in the sandwiches.
But what's the chef's special? Chef's special.
It's what's on the menu, that's what we have.
Okay. I'll have the balsamic pork ribs.
No.
Okay. Octopus then?
No.
What about peas? You know, peas.
Peas.
Peas?
No, peas.
Peas.
I don't know.
He doesn't know what peas are.
Oh, what about rabbit lard?
Rabbit lard?
No.
Whipped fennel pollen butter.
Wasps.
No!
Steam of boiled cabbage.
No,
you
it's-
put that in a sandwich?
No, it's just what's on the menu.
The
Just
steam when you boil a cabbage. Just put it in between bread. I know you have cabbage back there. Just boil it and put the steam in.
No, darling.
What?
It's just what's on the menu.
Oh, okay.
I will have a quail muffin.
that's not a thing.
Turkey.
We can do turkey. Yeah.
Just the skin. No.
Kevin.
What eats a boy named Kevin?
Or a girl named Kevin. We're very in line.
Okay.
Can you just order what's on the menu and leave?
See, I keep hearing that word menu. What is that?
Oh, darling, I think he means a carte de jour.
Oh, a carte de jour! Why didn't you say order off the carte de jour? Carte de jour, okay.
I don't know. Philip, this is rather fancy. Do you think we can afford to
You
eat
can,
here?
yes, trust me.
The options are as unbound as the night sky.
I know. I will have a fat teaser. And can I have some rabbit lard on the side?
No.
That's fine.
Why don't you just settle me on this Flateza, boy? And you have 1 hour.
It's kind of like a pizza, it's flat. All pizzas are flat, so that's kind of redundant.
I'll have that. I'll have what you just said.
The pizza.
No, the redundant. I want the redundant.
Okay, I can't tell if you guys are fucking with me.
We're not. We're not.
I'm just gonna put you down for 2 Latissas. It's gonna be $5.70.
Excellent. Oh no! We don't have any money!
Oh dear, how dreadfully embarrassing.
Oh my, would you trade 2 Flatezas for an antique armoire? Very well. Then we will have 1 cup for water.
Here you go. Don't get soda.
Thank you.
No, I actually recognize them. They live underneath the Silver Lake Boulevard overpass.
Like 8 armoires underneath there.